Yo, what's up guys, Andy here, back with another crypto update. Today we're going to go through all the stuff I'm in and take a look at how it's doing. So starting off with Bitcoin, looking pretty good lately. We're up to 12,892. You can see some resistance here where this previous top was, but I think this is looking pretty good. We're on a daily, so it's holding this moving average pretty well. You can see this line here and this line here, we're kind of trading within that zone. You can see when we got below that, when we got below these moving averages, went right back up. This was the COVID dip and it went right back up above that again. So now we're just looking to try and break out of this previous resistance. So that's what we want to see. It'd be nice to just see something like this. Pretty simple chart here. Bam. Can extend this over. So we'd like to see it come up, start to form an ascending triangle and then break out here. At least that's what I'm looking for as a noob charter. I'm not a professional. This is just like a typical pattern that I would see. I don't know. So Bitcoin looking good. Moving over to the TRX stuff I'm in. Stronghold. So we got $6 here. Withdraw that. Click accept. Let's close these out. Bankroll farm. We got $46 here, so let's claim all of this. Then we're just gonna go swap that. So we just claimed our banker. Now we're gonna swap our banker for TRX. I've saved a lot of banker. I've sold a lot of banker. Just doing both. Can't lose if you're selling. So 1.7k TRX, sell that. You can see it's worth $46 right there. Click accept. So we just got over $50. That's about a half day's worth of earnings over here on Banker. I do this twice a day. So then I'm just gonna take this TRX. I'm using Sun right now as kind of a savings account. So we'll select this and see I have 1974 TRX there. So we'll just do 1925. Always want to keep some in your wallet and stake that. Click accept. So you guys can see I'm easily doing like $100 a day. And this is like my savings account. So even if you figure that, what was it, 1925 divided by 219,850 equals about 0.8%. Yeah, about 0.8%. So almost 1% daily that I'm just growing, like kind of adding to my savings account. Pretty crazy. And that's just Bankroll. I'm also in T2X and DSP, continuing to stake and get dividends. I'm kind of moving these over to a high risk. Right now, high risk, high reward. DSP, we had these huge lobbies up to like 17 million. Now they're coming back down. Yesterday was only 3.3, which I totally expected this to happen. I predicted it in my last video. And the creator of this thing has had some issues. So I don't know. I think that the only thing you can do is go in slowly if you're gonna go in. That way you don't get wrecked, but it's still like paying good dividends. So you don't want to just see this thing trickle out. And I don't know why they are. You can see T2X kind of on the same pattern. So I don't know why people aren't going into these. I did a video like 2 days ago and it's still 1% daily. So like basically whatever the lobby size is, it's going to be 1% daily on that lobby size. But if the lobbies go down from when you bought in, you're going to be getting worse than 1%, if that makes sense. And don't worry about this one. It's just low because it builds up throughout the day. Yeah, I would say T2X, DSP kind of high risk, high reward right now. I would suggest going to the Telegrams, searching around, trying to figure out what people are thinking about those. That'll give you the best idea. Still buying $1 Bitcoin every single day on Cash App. I'll do that video tomorrow. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the